Hello friends, remember when we talked about the 5 classes of vertebrates? Today we'll learn more about them. First we have mammals. What makes an animal a mammal? Animals has to have hair or fur in its body. They need to give birth and they give milk to their babies. And that makes it a mammal. Think about an animal that is a mammal. Elephant is a mammal. Tiger is a mammal. Think about more animals. The next one is birds. Birds. What makes an animal a bird? It has to have feather in its body, lays egg, and some of them can fly and some cannot. Think about a bird. A chicken is a bird. Ostrich is a bird. Penguins, birds. Next one, fish. What makes an animal a fish? It has to live underwater. It cannot breathe outside the water. It has gills and their skin has scales on it, and it cannot survive. It lays eggs and it cannot survive outside of the water. Reptiles. Reptiles. So what makes an animal a reptile? Their skin is very dry and rough. It moves around by just crawling. Some have legs and some don't have legs, and they lay eggs. Think about an animal that is a reptile. Snake is a reptile. Iguana is a reptile. Think about more. Last, amphibians. Amphibians. So what makes an animal an amphibian? It needs to have a smooth skin. They live both in water and on land, but they have to lay their eggs inside the water. Think about another animal that do the same thing. Newt is an amphibian. So today we learn that the 5 classes of vertebrates are mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Bye!